Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros without yeast. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the mixture. Bring this to a rolling boil over medium heat. This initial step is crucial for creating the right base for your churro dough. Having all your ingredients measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Get ready for some delicious, crispy treats. Once your water mixture is boiling, remove it from the heat immediately. Now, quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until the mixture comes together and forms a smooth, thick dough ball. This process should happen quite fast. The dough will be sticky but should pull away from the sides of the pan. Let it cool for a few minutes before transferring it into your piping bag. This ensures easier handling and better shaping. Now for the fun part, frying. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 5 inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry them in batches. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove them. As soon as your churros come out of the oil, while they are still hot, roll them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This coating is essential for that classic churro flavor. Serve them warm with your favorite dipping sauce, like a rich chocolate ganache or creamy dulce de leche. They are best enjoyed fresh. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after all that delicious frying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.